Thanks for the extra light, buddy. You're awesome. I'm pretty awesome too. Thanks for the extra light.
I know you needed some light. You just needed to see. Now you can get to the seal. Oh wow! I thought people bang those out with helmets.
Yeah, those are non-professional people.
Those are rookies.
I'm a professional.
Mere amateurs. I don't think that's how you're supposed to do that. Ed said.
The best.
That's not how Ed said. What are you doing? Scooter blocking it?
No. No scooter block? It was roaring and these gears are sharp. Sharp. Therefore they're sharp.
What does that mean?
The pattern's not good. Or there's a lot of load and this fucking thing's loaded down.
But you was expecting to see graded bearings,
I
wasn't
was
you?
hoping to.
So when you don't,
I was hoping to.
when your original plan don't go as
I
planned,
was hearing.
right?
I was hearing bad bearings. Now I see them bad bearings.
You don't want to look at the outside. They won't.
I just like to.
Oh my God, this guy's dangerous. Oh! These safety glass goggles will work around Joe Lisa.
Oh, there you go. Look at that.
What you find? Ah! That's what you was looking for.
That's what I was hearing. I was like,
And that's on the, that's opinion.
yeah, inner pinion. That's why it sounded different than an outer pinion.
So you can tell by the test drive on what?
Well,
What you thought.
no. But I was looking at the bearing going, man, that bearing doesn't look bad at all. Because normally the bearing's going to be just as pitted as this is.
Right. Look at that
Get
shit.
that right in there. Get that for the camera. Get
Good
that for all my
Lord.
subscribers.
Shut up. So what caused that?
Diffdoctor.com. DIFF-doctor.com.
Shut
Come
up.
see me for all your differential needs.
Shut up. What has caused this, man?
Huh?
What did it? Were they not changing the fluid? Like I said.
Seriously, this thing's loaded down. Dude.
Oh, it's all about the load.
It's loaded down.
Just because you see a hitch, you gonna automatically suspect.
No. Look at the cap topper.
Oh, it's loaded without a load.
When it's on the ground, look, when it's on the ground, it's got the Carolina recliner look.
Oh no, that's not good. So you saying you can get away with just a pinion bearing, but you're gonna do them all anyway?
I'll do them all. I don't play with this pinion.
That's what you call a differential overhaul.
Where's all that metal at?
Right.
It's in here. It's in here.
And you're doing the bearings on the outside? So it's gonna should be awful
That's
quiet.
diffdoctor.com.
Man, will you shut up? Alright guys, I'm back over here at this Dodge Challenger. It's 2014 model. Getting ready to do a diff service, guys. Y'all know the importance of diff service. Now if you're looking at the service maintenance schedule, diff service likely around 40,000 miles. If you pull or treat it like a taxi or anything like that. Me personally, I've lowered mine to 30,000 miles, guys. For one reason, this is a fairly simple, easy job and easy to do, and it's inexpensive. Okay, so when I do my 30K, whatever maintenance schedule I'm doing on the 30K, I always throw in a diff service. All right, diff service fairly easy on this car. Drain plug, refill plug. All right, in fact, I'm getting ready to do one right now. Now this doesn't warrant a complete whole video, so I'm gonna throw this in one of my typical day at the shop videos. All right, so I'm just gonna yes. Now you can further vent the differential by going head on and removing the fill hole while the drain is coming out. That would just vent it and help more come out. Okay, I want to get it all out. All right, this is the drain plug, this is the fill plug. Fairly easy, guys. I'm gonna let that set for a while. In the meantime, let me show y'all what fluid I'm gonna be using. That's right, guys, you guessed it, Valvoline. Okay, this is the fluid that the company have I want to say contract with, I guess, but we go in with a mixture of 70 W140, 75 W140. Okay, Valvoline, good stuff, guys. does wonders. Okay, and what's good about Valvoline? They stand by their product. All right, so any kind of failure that your diff accumulates because of this, they will repair. There ain't much repairing you can do to these differentials anyway, so we pretty much replace them. But this is the fluid I'm going back in with. Okay, a little combination of both. Sometimes they hold, sometimes depending on what comes out, guys. So you might end up using both. You might only use 1.5. Might only use one, depending on what comes out and how much is in it. But it's the same typical procedure, guys. You fill it up until it comes out of the fill hole. In fact, I got a little time. Let's go through that right now. All right, guys, as you can see with the drain plug and the fill plug, it's obviously all out. Okay, so let's cap off our drain plug because we're getting ready to refill. All right, so let's cap this off. Like I say, guys, diff service on this particular car. This is a 2015 Dodge Challenger. Every 40,000 miles is what your maintenance schedule manual says. All right, so now let's grab our fluid. It's gonna be kind of tricky filling it up, guys, so make sure you clap off an end, and we're gonna set that in here. We're just gonna squeeze until most of it all comes out. You know it's full when it starts spilling out on its own. Okay, I might be inducing that, but when it starts, if you pull it out and it still spill out, you know it's full. All right, so let's keep going. All right, guys, so I have the other jug. I'm filling it up. Remember, guys, don't stop until it starts spilling out on its own. You don't want to confuse that with induced spill that came from you. See, as you can see, that is coming out on its own. That, my friend, is considered full. I'll wipe that off. Yes, that is full, guys. Okay, it's fairly simple, guys. Install your fill plug, torque these to specs, guys, and you are pretty much done. Okay, this is a real diff service I just did. Yeah, fairly easy, right? It's also important that you get it done, guys. All right, so that's all I have, guys. I'm gonna go over to the other side and used car department, see what they got going on, and I'll let y'all know, guys. Let's get it.